Oh well, I guess you win some and you lose some. And this time, Operation Dudula is on the losing end because the High Court has stopped them from harassing people. So, the High Court has an interdict on Operation Dudula and is stopping them from harassing foreign nationals and demanding documents. Basically, they cannot dudula people anymore. So, the High Court in Johannesburg has granted a far-reaching interdict against Operation Dudula, prohibiting the movement and its members from harassing, intimidating, or obstructing foreign nationals and from interfering with their access to essential public services. The order delivered on Monday under case number 2023 044685 stems from an application brought by the Kopanang African Against Xenophobia and the South African Informal Traders Forum, the Inner City Federation, and the Abahlali Basemjondolo Movement, South Africa. Respondents included Operation Dudula, several government departments and national ministers responsible for home affairs, justice, health and education. The South African Human Rights Commission was also listed as a respondent. So, hey, Kshubile, hey, Operation Dudula, yo, man. Yeah, these guys are not coming back from this. I guess there are plans to stop, the illegal students, the illegal parents of students, or the students themselves that were going into schools illegal. Okay, I don't know what they were planning to do, but whatever they were planning to do, the beginning of January 2026 is gonna stop. They're not going to harass people anymore. Yeah, and I know you're sitting there at home thinking, hey man, I saw Operation Dudula today. They were doodling people. Yeah. So people break the law all the time. I think even before Operation Dudula did this, it was against the law. So now they have to have an actual interdict. So I think the people who are going to enforce the interdict are the guys from Abahlali Bosomjondolo and Kopanang African Against Xenophobia. These guys. Because, yeah, ordinary people, I think Operation Dudula right now, they're still chasing people out of clinics. So these guys, I think they are going to have some face-off with Operation Dudula if they actually continue doodling people. So, yeah, we're going to have to see what happens from now on.